In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deliver assignments or homework with built-in tools, streamlining the process and making it way easier. If you're looking to submit assignments more efficiently, stick around for the next few minutes because I'll walk you through the steps, plus give you access to an exclusive free trial for a software I highly recommend. Now, when it comes to delivering assignments or homework, whether you're submitting them online or through an app, built-in tools can make a huge difference. Most schools or platforms today offer tools within their systems, but often we don't realize just how much they can simplify the process. So let's jump into the first step. First, make sure you're using the platform your school or instructor recommended. It could be Google Classroom, Moodle, or even your school's learning management system, LMS. Most of these platforms have built-in tools that let you upload and submit assignments directly. All you need to do is find the assignment in your course materials, click on it, and there's usually an option to upload your work, whether it's a file, a document, or a link. If you're working in Google Docs or Microsoft Word, make sure your work is saved and ready to submit. Both of these platforms offer seamless integration with your LMS. In Google Docs, you can simply click Share and select the right permissions. In Word, use the Save As option to upload directly into your system. The key is knowing that these tools are already built in and ready to make your life easier. Another time saver comes when you use built-in assignment management tools. For example, some software automatically assigns due dates or reminders. Make sure to set those up when you start an assignment so you're always on track. These reminders ensure you don't miss deadlines and avoid any last-minute stress. Now let's talk about how to get your feedback and grades. Most of the time, your school or instructor will grade directly within the platform. So once you've submitted your assignment, all you need to do is wait for feedback. Tools built into the platform allow you to track grades in real time, so you'll always know how you're doing and if you need to improve on anything next time. You can also use these tools to view rubrics or any specific criteria your instructor has set for the assignment. But the best part, you can also use these built-in tools to collaborate with peers if necessary. Whether you're working in a group or simply need feedback before submitting, features like comments, real-time collaboration, and editing allow you to fine-tune your work before hitting that final submit button. If you're not sure about which tool to use or want a more user-friendly option, there's one software I've been testing that's built to simplify the whole process. It integrates with your LMS, provides reminders, and lets you track progress effortlessly. And I've got an exclusive free trial for you in the description below to follow along with this tutorial. Only viewers of this channel, Dan Thorns, can access this offer, so make sure you grab it before it's gone. Let's quickly recap everything you've learned. Use the built-in submission tools on your platform, like Google Classroom or an LMS, to submit your work directly. Utilize file integrations like Google Docs or Microsoft Word to save time. Don't forget to set up assignment reminders and check out your platform's grade tracking and feedback features. Finally, use tools to collaborate with others when needed. Key takeaway: the key here is efficiency. By using the built-in tools available to you, you can save time, stay organized, and submit your work with ease. And don't forget, if you want to follow along with this tutorial, be sure to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.